Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Google Meet using your computer. This is super helpful when you want to show slides, documents, or anything on your screen during a meeting. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Either join an existing meeting or start a new one by clicking New Meeting and selecting Start an Instant Meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of icons. Find the one that looks like a rectangle with an arrow pointing up. That's the Share Screen or Present button. Click on it, and you'll see three options. Your entire screen. This lets everyone see everything on your screen. A window. This allows you to share just one app, like PowerPoint or a browser tab. A tab. This is best when you're sharing a video or something from Chrome because it plays smoother. Select the option you want, then click Share. After that, everyone in the meeting will be able to see what you're showing. While you're sharing, you'll see a small preview at the bottom of your screen or a blue box around the shared window. That's how you know it's active. When you're done, just click Stop Sharing at the bottom of the screen or return to your Meeting tab and click Stop Presenting. And that's it. That's how you share your screen in Google Meet using your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more simple tech tutorials like this.